guys, welcome back, and we've got the latest updates on the MacGregor for you. Check it out. It's hard to believe that this is the same boat we pulled out from under brambles, full of water and a wasp's nest. After days of draining, cleaning and grinding away all of that grime, this MacGregor is finally looking like she should. Clean, sharp and ready for action. Today's the big one. We're launching her for the first time in years. It's always a little bit nerve-wracking because you never know what will happen until she hits the water. Not to mention that this engine hasn't been used in all of those years as well, untouched for however long. Will it start? Will it even turn over when we get to the water? Let's just say we're pleasantly surprised. Now, this is what makes a MacGregor special. So if those of you out there don't know what this boat does, she is a true wolf in sheep's clothing. It's not just a sailboat. With a planing hull and an outboard power, you can cruise, tow and even wakeboard off the back of this. It's one of the most versatile boats ever made. After everything, the mud, the mess, the madness, this is what it's all about, getting her back where she belongs, on the water, doing what she was built for. After a few practice runs, and the original engine ticking over nicely, it was time to really see what she could do. Dan, his brother Gav and their dad Keith set off from West Kirby, sailing towards Conwy in perfect weather. But just a few hours after arriving, they noticed that the weather was starting to turn, and it was turning fast. If they were going to make it back safely, they had to move. The window was closing. At 5 a.m. the next morning, they set off, rounding the Great Orme in rising wind and building swell. No small feat, to say the least, and certainly not weather for videoing. But the MacGregor held steady. This boat might look unassuming, but she's tougher than she lets on.
Reeves, you're saying? Good luck. Beautiful. Drop the car back an inch or two. Hey? Drop the car back an inch or two. Yeah. do on your own, would you?
He said he's going to put 90 on it.
Oh, yeah. They're braver than me, I'll tell you that. Like. That'll do you, Gav. Whoa. That's it, you're on.
A successful round trip, a proper sea test, and proof that this once forgotten boat still has plenty of life left in her. We hope you've enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss the next episode. See you next time.